Years and centuries go by, humanity keeps on changing. For decades and centuries, the creativity and the talent of many people have brought life-changing inventions and innovations that have radically changed the way we live today. In these days, technology and social networking have become an essential part of today's world. However, despite the overwhelming progress and change that it underwent in all these years, nowadays society still struggles with so many social problems that seem to have got even worse during this digital revolution. Some of them are poverty, drug abuse, alcohol abuse, economic deprivation and economic colonization, unemployment, sexual abuse, animal abuse, and many others. Today, we're gonna ask ourselves how languages and multilingualism could help us out in facing and solving such problems. You're listening to the Freedom Through Languages podcast, episode number 3, called Tackling Social Issues Through Multilingualism. Saluti, brothers and sisters out there, I'm Multilingual Luigi, a Sardinian polyglot and activist for minority languages, and you are listening to Freedom Through Languages, the multilingual podcast show for language lovers, where we'll be speaking about everything related to the word-speaking heritage, such as language learning, music, spirituality, and self-development through languages, and we'll also pay particular attention to minority languages, seeing that thousands of precious tongues are facing extinction nowadays, and for every language that dies, we lose a great amount of freedom and cultural wealth. Thanks a lot for taking some of your very precious time to listen to Freedom Through Languages. Enjoy the show and don't forget to subscribe to our program on your podcast platform. Having said that, thank you very much once again. Love languages, love yourself. Saluti guys, we've got to the third episode of our podcast program Freedom Through Languages, the language podcast for experiencing self-development and spirituality through our passion for languages. Today I would like to analyze the social potential of multilingualism and language learning as tools to tackle and eventually solve many of the problems that we experience in this modern society. Could languages become a trustworthy companion of ours during the many hurdles that we'll be encountering during our life? I think pretty much so. Due to several particular coincidences in the past 2 decades, I had the opportunities to deal with situations and people from different social backgrounds, and being a talented observer, I had a glimpse at the different issues that a particular social class would face the most, and I also analyzed those social problems that were shared at the same way by several communities coming from various backgrounds. Family, drug, alcohol related problem, and all kinds of abuse can really bring you down to a dark dimension from which it will be very tricky to get out of it. In such dire straits, it's essential to keep a powerful light on, a light that sooner or later will bring you out of the tunnel, preparing you for exciting new challenges and above all for a life full of motivation and with a very high self-esteem, a life full of freedom, a life full of good vibrations. Well, during a very troublesome teenage and young age, for me, the powerful light was my passion for languages. Language learning really used to be one of the few positive and constructive things that I used to do during those years. It kept me away from serious troubles, and some years later, once achieving a more mature emotional state, languages kept on playing an essential role in my life, enriching it in incredible several ways. As a result, I now feel the desire to help other people who are struggling with social issues. Some of those issues some of those issues that I experienced myself. And therefore, I want to help them showing to them the huge potential that language learning and languages in general can have as a spiritual guide that will gradually lead them to better days.
Looking for these better days, you ain't lying. You know what I mean? Who that? OFTB up in this. Better days. Hey, better days. Got me thinking about better days. Better days, better days, better days. Hey, better days. Got me thinking about better days. Time to question our lifestyle, look how we live. Smoking weed like it ain't no thing. So even kids wanna try now, then lie down and get ran through. Nobody watches them clocking the evil man do. Faced with the demons, addicted to hearing victims screaming. Guess we was evil since birth, product of cursed Siemens. Cause even our birthdays is cursed days. A born thug in the first place to worst ways. I love to see the block in peace, with no more dealers and crooked cops. The only way to stop the beast, and only we can change. It's up to us to clean up the streets, it ain't the same. Too many murders, too many funerals, and too many tears. Just seen another brother bury, plus I knew him for years. Passed by his family, but what could I say? Keep your head up and try to keep the faith, and pray for better days. Better days, better days. Hey, better days. Got me thinking about better days. Better days, better days, better days. Hey, better days. Got me thinking about better days. Thinking back as an adolescent, who would have guessed that in my future years I'd be stressing? Some say the ghetto's sick and corrupted. Plus my PO won't let me hang with the brothers I grew up with. Trying to keep my head up and stay strong. All my homies slinging yayo all day long, but they wrong, so I'm solo and so broke. Saving up for some Jordans, cause they dope. I got a girl and I love her, but she broke too. And so am I can't take her to the place she wanna go to. So we argue and play fight all day and night, making passionate love to the daylight. Plus we about to get evicted, can't pay the rent. Guess it's time to see who really is your friend. You tell me you're pregnant and I'm amazed. So many blessings while we stressing, looking for the better days. Better days. Hey, better days. Got me thinking about better days. Better days, better days, better days. Hey, better days. Got me thinking on better days. Now me and you was real cool. Hell on them square fools. Since back in high school, we was true, me and you. Hardly part of them separated, we stayed faded. Affiliated with gangbangers and still made it. Up in the gym, mess with me, gotta mess with him. Still dressing like grown men when rolling. Out in the dark, smoking Newports, gaming marks. Got a place in my heart, homie, stay smart. Locked you up in the pen and gave you 3 to 10. I send you letters with naked flicks of old friends. Hoping you well, I know it's hell doing time in the cells. You need mail when you in jail. And me, I'm doing cool. I settled down, had a family, working in night school. Every once in a while I reminisce, and I wonder how we ever came to this. I miss the better days. Better days. Hey, better days. I know, got me thinking about better days. I want the better days, better days, better days. Hey, better days. Got me thinking on better days. Better days, better days, better days. Hey, better days. All them dudes I was locked up with. We're getting to the better days. E-block, F-block. Better days, better days, better days. Hey, better days. All the people I met along the way. We're getting to the better days.
You just listened to Better Days by Tupac Shakur. I know this track had nothing to do with my minority language music selection, but I'll sometimes do such exceptions as long as the, let's call it, bonus track is related to the topic we are dealing with. So the song was Better Days, and we were talking about how reaching better days by learning, practicing languages, and therefore by feeding our passion for languages. Well, in the previous podcast we spoke about both the spiritual and material benefits of learning and speaking foreign languages, and therefore of living, the advantages of living in a multilingual environment since an early age. We said that good languages skills open minds and souls, and thanks to them we could have more chances to enjoy our life and lifestyle, taking full responsibility for all the decisions that we take during our years on this planet. And another thing we mentioned last time is the incredible problem-solving skills that are developed by speaking another or several other languages. And seeing that we now find ourselves in a very complex and often very problematic society, what a better skill than problem solving could help us out to solve and overcome the challenges that life brings to us daily. I strongly believe that having a good problem solving skill is crucial, especially for teenagers and young people, the two categories that are most sensitive and fragile in this topic due to their lack of experience, basically. And this makes them pretty weak in front of challenges and sudden changes. In fact, as we all know, today's young generations are confronted since a very early age by drug and alcohol-heavy consumptions, violence, sexual abuse, and parent separation related issues. Therefore, we really need to form and educate multilingual, at least bilingual generations, so that they would train their mind in flexibility, in problem solving, and above all, in responsibility, because nowadays people in general don't want to take responsibility for their own actions, and this easily brings to unhappiness and constant complaining, blaming somebody or something else for the mistakes they made or they're responsible for. So, how could we find a solution to such a bad attitude towards life? Pretty simple. We need to teach children how to approach problems and how to be more responsible about their own actions. As I previously said, a smart way to achieve what I've just mentioned would be promoting multilingual education and bilingual family upbringing in the cases where it's possible. And I think that language perhaps won't be the direct solution to a social problem, but it could be a valid guiding tool to eventually achieve the right solution.
Sementaré, loguinho de clarear, en tanto no povo medre, un meniño, un bello e un cantar.
Sementaré, loguinho de clarear, en tanto no povo medre, un meniño, un bello e un cantar. Un meniño revoldeiro que fale na lingua vai, que suba os vexedeiros a froita verde roubou. Sementaré, loguinho de clarear, en tanto no povo medre, un meniño, un bello e un cantar. Sementaré, loguinho de clarear, en tanto no povo medre, un meniño, un bello e un cantar. ellos un rastro de fumepán que conte con todos os nenos do cuco e do paspallón. Sementarei, loguinho de clarear, en tanto no pobo medre un meniño, un vello e un cantor. Sementarei, loguinho de clarear, en tanto no pobo medre un meniño, un vello e un cantor. Un cantar de redención, un bello e novo cantar, que troque a desolación nun limpo e carborión. Sementarei, loguinho de clarear, en tanto no pobo medre un meniño, un vello e un cantor. Sementarei, loguinho de clarear, en tanto no pobo medre un meniño, un vello e un cantor.
Loco deixaime morrer entre dous recos queimado, cando veñan os solpones dos homes esfamiados.
Sementarei, loguinho de clarear, en tanto no pobo medre un meniño, un vello e un cantor. Sementarei, loguinho de clarear, en tanto no pobo medre un meniño, un vello e un cantor.
You just listened to Sementeira, Galician band, with their song Fuxa nos Ventos. Welcome back to today's episode, Tackling Social Issues Through Multilingualism. We just spoken about the importance of growing multilingual generations in order to provide youngsters with enough mental and emotional strength to face all the challenges ahead. On top of that, I'd also like to speak a bit more into details about the potential of minority languages in the cultural social environment. In fact, such languages are often spoken in remote regions or in the outskirts of states that from their far central government gradually impose the official language of the state, discriminating directly or indirectly the autochthonous language of that particular region, promising that with such a language substitution, the local population would have experienced a better quality of life, but well on the opposite, after several decades of language eradication, those regions are still in very difficult social economic situations, and in addition to that, they're now about to lose their autochthonous language forever. As a consequence, young people in such regions know little or nothing about the autochthonous tongue of their own birth or living place, and this would bring them to be people with no roots, who would be at high risk of getting into the following issues: early school dropouts, drugs, alcohol abuse, low working education, forced expatriation due to unemployment, etc. So, an example of what I've just said could be my homeland, my island, Sardinia, one of the European regions with the highest rate of unemployment, expatriation, and pollution. And I would add that nowadays the average Sardinian person speaks Italian only, although English has been taught for ages at schools. A kind of linguistic karma for the fact that the Italian government and many confused Sardinians denied a bilingual education and a bilingual society to the Sardinian young generations, something that instead would really help them a lot and would really help them learning foreign languages easier and faster. Respect the language of your roots, or you could regret it soon.
Sardinia intendi noi, randa giussate che gli papà, ai 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 ai, ragamafi, posa Sardinia che si scraffi, ragamafi, posa Sardinia che si scraffi, ragamafi, sì di noi style.
Affi vai e tessi non podi dessa a te, se fi vai non puoi dessi mai, ma la sai te dessi, fi vai te pressi, potorrai a tessi. fini, so culiao, sicura da questa mescia. Ma veninanta che su turista, casa in brutta da saia. Sì, ma commenti, vai di turista, ci scapua e wow così. A canni su usato, non c'è di matta sacciati, scetti con romazzia. Io mi tocco in bacio commenti, canto pova da sta stria. Quando intendo usare una Italia nostra, Italia mia. Bisogna de questa terra, misenia. No c'è adesso meta, a già se ho preso dei gozzia. A pusci più, che su mondo spaccia da de sicuro. Quando spaccia a destra ballo, su un messaggio in tu 31 a pusci più. Cada spacciai po' vinza, sassa birra, candu c'osa bogao. Poche de merda, de guirre tutto a posto. A chi ne canta inglese o tedesco. Chi te ne sa questa terra, canta in sadro, cruza presto. Su nucleare arriva, de sicuro che già arriva da. E se ho su proprio un'osa ti vai, sta testa ratto. Vai e tessi, non puoi testa a te. Se fi vai non puoi tessi mai. Ma la sai che tessi, fi vai te pressi. Poi torrai a tessi, ce vodi tessi. A fi vai e tessi, non puoi testa a te. Se fi vai non puoi tessi mai. Ma la sai che tessi, fi vai te pressi. Poi torrai a tessi, ce vodi tessi. A chi si pica ma chi non c'ha crisi. A chi si visti di Denmarca c'ha crisi. O a birra costata troppo c'ha crisi. Mi osa cantai de pipa che c'ha crisi. Casa Sardegna fondendi tu pisi. Che sti gruppi si taglia d'uscisi. Non fai senuta pomello su pivi. Sta gruppa è sta nostra e d'uscisi. Case o su ne su. Sì ma con tua bella trassa. Te basce su non fai d'andai manca a cassa. Chi può andai andi se copo che te godro io. Non ti doventi manco bini ma non ne pitti. A davore con casse su me su bar. Sezzi che costa troppo su parcheggia mari. A davore con casse su me su bar. Sezzi costa per spago giro de campari. A fi vai e tessi non puoi testa a te. Se fi vai non puoi tessi mai. Ma la sai che tessi fi vai te pressi. Poi torrai a tessi ce vodi tessi. A fi vai e tessi non puoi testa a te. Se fi vai non puoi tessi mai. Ma la sai che tessi fi vai te pressi. Poi torrai a tessi. Entra Grecia spipionendo tutti santo su. Pregando a Gesù Cristo che aiuti da tutto su. A fora testa Grecia murrungendo a murru tutto su. Pregando tu su squadra tu su beat tutto moto su. E su ronda giù sigidi. Esatto su chi sighi in ta pompa se valium. Su mare sempre bruni e due interi. Non sparesi sta terra che a poco non devi ciò che tu. 40 cazzo sono si poteva unire. De canto so sonenti non mi pointi manco bi. Tenio a su recenti chi fiata sempre accanto. E mumio antico per ma che sia da che se monta. E c'è sicuro che si spanta. Facci bella nanti fizza canto noi con cuno non scramenta. Ma questa terra non su tutto si spetta da. In santa sa salute e buono pro e si pezza da. A fi vai e tessi non puoi testa a te. Se fi vai non puoi tessi mai. Ma la sai che tessi fi vai te pressi. Poi torrai a tessi ce vodi tessi. A fi vai e tessi non puoi testa a te. Se fi vai non puoi tessi mai. Ma la sai che tessi fi vai te pressi. Poi torrai a tessi ce vodi tessi.
And here we listen to Fi vai e tessi by Randagio Sardu, a very talented Sardinian musician. And I don't say that because I'm Sardinian, but it's really talented. Trust me, have a look at his songs online. Randagio Sardu. So anyway, we've got to the end of today's episode. We talked about some serious stuff, and therefore I think that I'll try making the next episode a bit softer, a bit lighter. However, I thank you so much for listening to Freedom Through Languages, the podcast about spirituality and self-development through your passion for languages. Thank you very much indeed, and don't forget to subscribe to this podcast through your podcast platform. See you on the next episode. Love languages, love multilingualism, love yourself. Multilingual Luigi. Namaste.